animal husbandry and veterinary services. The total allocation of the animal husbandry and veterinary services has been increased to rupees 179.56 crores. Speaker sir, through the short scheme for the Mission Rabies, Goa has declared as the first rabies control area in the country. My government aims to achieve the status of the rabies-free state in India. Speaker sir, under Mukhyamantri Pashu Seva Yojana, animal emergency service will provide it with 24/7 animal ambulance facilities. This will be implemented during the year for which the provision of rupees 3 crores has been made. Speaker sir, I propose the new scheme Gomantak Go Savardhan Yojana. Speaker sir, the Molem Veterinary Dispensary will be completed at a cost of rupees 1.50 crores and construction of the Chikalim Veterinary Dispensary and Veterinary Hospital at Mulgaon will be taken up at the total capital outlay of 10.5 crores. Speaker sir, I propose to revamp the present Kamdenu scheme by making the necessary amendments to formulate new Mukhyamantri Sudharit Kamdenu scheme to boost the milk production in the state. I also propose to implement an app-based procurement mechanism for the dairy animals in the state along with the end-to-end vaccination and allied medical support. Speaker sir, total allocation for the fisheries department is rupees 100.43 crores. 1.43 crores, sorry. Speaker sir, I am pleased to inform the House that fish production has reached an all-time high 1,28,267 metric tons and during the year 2022. Under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, we have supported over 2,695 farmers in the state. Speaker sir, further to have the strict vigil over the illegal fishing at sea, I propose to create the separate Marine Enforcement Wing. It is composed of designated officer to the patrolling at sea. I also propose to upgrade Shapora and Kortalim jetty for the development of the fishing infrastructure. The capital outlay of the 60 crores has been provided. Speaker sir, under the new fish farming technology, it is proposed to set up 10 units in the river cage during the year and also to support the green mussels farmer in the state. Further, for the diagnosis disease which is reduce the fish production, it is proposed to set up an aqua referral lab and at a department training center at Old Goa. Speaker sir, I also plan to set up the shrimp and fish fin hatchery at Banavlim through the public-private partnership.